Hello and welcome back to the Silent Rider. I'm looking at DiamondBrite today in a bit more detail, as I said I would from the last video. Today I'm going to be using Waterless detailer, ceramic glaze, and I'm also going to be looking at the chrome and metal polish. So let's start off with the Waterless detailer. All you got to do with this, very easy, is literally spray it on the part that you're doing. Obviously only do small parts at a time, so it's spray on there, get a cloth, wipe that all over like so, and then get a thicker, what I call a polishing microfiber, and just buff it up. And that has made a real difference. So that's that one. Now I'm going to go on to the ceramic glaze. Again, a very good product. I've actually done this side of the bike and it has made it a lot better. So it's literally a couple of sprays again, just do bits as you go, and again just turn that inside out and wipe that on. And then get my polishing cloth and buff that up. Now it's recommended with the ceramic glaze that you only need to put it on every 2 to 3 months, so that is now protected. So from there we're going to go on to the chrome and metal polish. Just give this a shake. And we'll do the top of this top box. So get another cloth. You only need a little bit, like so, and go all over the top. And that's that bit done. I better put the top back on. Get my cloth again and buff it up. And that has brought that up a lot better. Looking at the top to the sides, it looks and feels a lot better than it did originally. Anyway, that is those three. Not forgetting, we've also got the Kit Fresh, the bike wash, and also the degreaser. I've actually used the degreaser once. again, it is very good. I will be doing a video on it. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. I'm the Silent Rider. Thanks again. Please subscribe to my video. It means a lot to me. Doesn't cost you anything. Thank you again. Silent Rider, goodbye.